to the Clinsoft Placement Management tutorial for educators. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of evaluating students in a placement batch. First, you'll need to navigate to an active placement from the dashboard. Here's how to do it. Select My Activities from the navigation bar. On the My Activities page, click on the Placements tab. Under the Placements tab, select Active tab. Then choose an active placement from the list. This will bring you to the Batch Management page. We have a detailed video on how to manage the Batch Management page. Please be sure to check it out. To evaluate a student's tasks, click on the Evaluate option in the Students tab. You will be directed to the Student's Assessment Evaluation page. You'll see the placement details at the top, including student names, dates, facility information, activity type and hours. If you click on the Roster button, you can view the dates and hours completed by a particular student. Below, you'll find the placement books, which contain sections and activities that the student must complete. Each section has items representing assessments or activities. Some sections are applicable to facility instructors, so open a section that is meant to be evaluated by the educator. To assess an assessment, click an assessment that is pending for marking. Select the outcome as satisfactory or not satisfactory. Fill in any other required fields. Once your marking is completed, you will need to sign using your uploaded signature to update the outcome. Sign and submit. As you work through your tasks, you'll notice different icons next to each item. A green check mark next to an item indicates that the student has completed it. If the check mark is accompanied by an S, it means you, as the educator, have marked it as satisfactory. If you see a red hourglass, it means the assessment is pending for marking. A red tick with NYS means not yet satisfactory, indicating that the educator is not satisfied with this assessment. If you see a blue hourglass, it means the student has resubmitted the task after it was previously assessed as not yet satisfactory. After a student has completed all the assessments and the educator has marked all the outcomes, you need to provide a final outcome for the student. To do this, click on the Update Final Outcome option. A pop-up will appear where you can select the final outcome as satisfactory, not satisfactory, or pending completion. Add your comments, sign using your uploaded signature, and then click on Save. To allow students to download their results, use the Generate PDF option, which will enable them to download their assessment results. If you want to download a student's final assessment result yourself, click the Download button to save it as a PDF. To sync the outcome with Knowledge Hub, use the Sync Outcome with KH option. Use the Show Instruction Items option to display or hide instruction-related content, and use the Show PDF Only Items option to display or hide items like the signature log or attendance panel. Next, you will find the Form Submit History option. Click on it to navigate to the Submit History page, where you can track all your submitted forms or items. You can filter them by all, draft, or submitted, making it easy to review what you've saved and submitted, along with the submission dates. And that's how you evaluate students' assessments in Clinsoft. Thank you for watching and happy learning!